Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Vicky, and today I'm going to be reviewing my February 2021 Boxycharm. I have the basic box. Again, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you for stopping by. And this month, let's see here, this is the card that comes in the box. And let's see here. I guess it's all hearts for Valentine's Day. And for people that are new, what Boxycharm is, it's a beauty box subscription. It's a monthly subscription. Now there are several options. I have the basic box. That's $25 per month, and you receive 5 full-size products each month. And again, that's $25 per month, and it has a value on average about $175. Then the next tier is the premium box. That's $35 per month, and you receive about 6 to 7 products, I believe, each month. And let's see here, it has an average value of $215 for the premium box. And then there's Deluxe, which is a quarterly box. I actually have that. You can upgrade from the basic box. So that comes out, let's see here, March, June, September, and December. So next month for me, instead of me getting the basic box, I'm going to be getting the Boxyluxe, which I'm really excited about. I've heard it has some really great goodies in it, so I can't wait. But that box is $49.95, I believe, $49.95. And again, that's the Boxyluxe. And in that box, let's see, you receive 8 plus full-size products. So it's a beauty / lifestyle box that we'll be receiving. And it's really nice. So let's see what we have here for the month of February. Let's see. Oh, and the value again on Lux. I'm kind of sleepy here today, so sorry guys. Average is about $395. But the last box I had was over that. When I got it in December, it was more than that. So we shall see. But I'm really super excited with the basic box. Well, really with all of the boxes, you get a choice. And I chose, this is Brow Bar by Rima. Now look at this packaging. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is just a box, but wait till I take it out so you guys can see. This is absolutely gorgeous. And this is a brow kit. Let me hold this mirror down. I chose dark. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me the glare on the mirror here, but it's absolutely gorgeous. The packaging is just so elegant, so pretty. In this kit, you receive, let's see, tweezers, brow pencil, highlighter, concealer, and 2 shades of brow powder. And they're all like little mini sizes. So let me see if I can get them out. This is the little brush, and everything's small. So this is neat if you want to just pop it in your purse or something, or if you're traveling, perhaps. Nice and easy and compact. So again, this is the Brow Bar Bombshell Brow Kit by Rima. Very pretty, absolutely gorgeous. So that's the first item. And before I move forward, that is $40. Almost forgot the price. Now let's see here. The next item, let's see, this is Tula. And this is Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Retails for $32. And let's see here. Got pores? Get this, it says. Okay, it has let's see, pink salt, volcanic sand, wow, witch hazel. So it's a scrub. So let me open this up here. And let's see. Oh, it's a really nice size too. Very nice. Let me just put some on my hand here so you guys can see. Bring it close. You can see the consistency of the product. Okay, I can't wait to get that. See if it has a scent. Nope, no scent. So for everyone that has concerns about scents and things like that, you're not going to have to worry about it. And again, this is 2.89 ounces for this probiotic so poreless deep exfoliating blackhead scrub. And again, this is Tula Skincare. So that's my second item that's in my base box. And let's see. Now the very next item, and I don't know if you guys can see it, I didn't put a whole lot on, but this is by Trestique. Like I said, I used that for this video. This is, let's see what they actually call it. Trestique Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. It's an eye-opening duo for gorgeous, defined eyes. Okay, now the mascara is in, let's see. Let's see, Black Lacquer, okay. And the eye pencil is Centaura Black Sand. Okay, Icelandic Black Lacquer. And that's what the box looks like again. I Trestique. But it's really neat. So, let's see. I'm going to demo this here. Okay, let me lift this. How does this? Okay, this part right here, it pops down. And this is the curler part. So you can curl your lashes. Okay, that's the curler. And then this bottom portion opens. Let me bring that up higher. So it was screwed down like this. And then the bottom portion, you unscrew it. And then there we have the mascara. You can see the brush, a nice size brush for that. Okay, so that's how that works. Kind of nifty. I like it. And then I forgot something too. Let me show you guys the liner. Now this liner is also kind of unique. Here's the top part, and it comes right out. And let me show you the color on my wrist, on my hand here. So that's the liner part. But then on the back end here, you pull this apart, and then there's the smudger application. So you can smudge in your eyeliner. So I like this a lot. I really like this. Is really nice. And again, that's Trestique is the brand. And I'm really happy that was in my box. Now that retails for $44. So yeah. And the next item I have is Glamoury Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. So it's really cute packaging. This pouch, you guys can see that. Okay, so let's open this up here. And I've already taken the wrapper up, but you receive, these are all for the eye, and you receive 4 brushes. It's the first one. And what's really cute is that it has like little floating hearts in it. So that's one. And then here's the next brush. And this one. And last but not least, this one. And these again are all for the eyes. We have 4. So it might be nice for traveling. And it's really cute frosted pouch that they came in. Really cute. So there we are. Now that retails for $29.95, which is nice. And last but not least for me in my base box, this is St. Lux Beauty Limited Edition Liner Duo. Here's the pretty packaging, St. Lux. And there's 2 liners in here. Let's see. Okay. This lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever, it claims, with a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula. Okay, it's supposed to just glide onto the lips with little to no effort, it says. So the very first shade I have here, what is this called? Love Letter. How appropriate. Let me see if I can bring this in. That's Love Letter. Okay. And then the second one This is called Secret Admirer. Let's see if I can. Uh-oh, my pencil just broke. Oh, rats. Okay, well, that's not good. Okay, well, we're not going to be able to sample that one, but that's okay because I don't have a sharpener here. Sorry about that. But I'll hold the end of the liner up. Maybe that might be helpful where you can see it that way, hopefully. Okay, so let's see here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, we had the brow bar that was $40. That's the Bombshell Brow Kit. Tula Skincare, that was the scrub for $32. The Trestique Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil Duo with the curler attached. That was $44. And then we have the Glamoury, the 4 brushes that were in the beautiful pink pouch, $29.95 for that. And then we have the St. Lux Beauty Limited Edition Liner Duo. So those are my 5 items. That little duo by St. Lux, that was $40. So let's see here. I call myself being prepared. Okay, looks like my box came in at $185. Not bad considering the box is only like $25. And then with tax, I think it's like $26.61 or something like that, but very small amount. Again, this is the month of February, Valentine's. Very cute. And that's my video for this month. Again, thank you so much for watching and tuning in. I really appreciate it. And if you can please, of course, share and, thumbs up and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys next month. If you have any questions about any of the products, just put them down below in the comments and I'll do my very best to answer. And thanks so much for stopping by. See you soon. Take care.